No, we get on that. You mean the car? Because okay. That's why I tell you. I want you have more time 3:30.
No, we're good.
I'll just get a bit of hotel.
Yeah, hotel casino, sir.
Yeah.
One of you behind?
Oh, where's your mom? There.
Oh, look at the Buddha from here.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, now it's clear.
Yeah, it was all.
Now.
But when we go up, we also can see it. Yeah. But not too clear. But I mean the bridge is clear.
Yes.
Yeah.
Very. We've been very lucky tonight with the weather.
Yeah. Not hot day, cool for you.
Yeah, very.
Yeah, cool.
You can put your phone against the glass. You don't get reflection. Closer, yeah.
Pavarotti to be singing. Who's Castle, Julie?
Buddha?
Oh, so you did not see the castle. You came to the castle, right?
Yes. And then we did that one of the 3D.
Yeah.
Not the goggles, the other one. Very
Like
good.
it?
Yeah, very good.
Yeah, we were the only ones who watched the cabaret. I thought everyone else would be there, but nobody else was. Just,
Yeah, cabaret
yeah,
good.
it was very good.
Yeah, we were drinking beer.
You couldn't take your beer over.
No, we did after. We went into the across the
So,
way.
did you see cabaret show? I think you should. Why?
Because we were drinking beer.
I told you to go.
You did, yes. And we were drinking
We
beer.
had a beer after.
Turn around.
Tyler, not Taylor.
Tyler. Got it wrong.
Her birthday soon, remember?
Yeah, my birthday soon. Do I get a present?
Today,
Yeah.
give me your slot. Yeah, you will see a waterfall down here. Yeah, a waterfall. Be ready. Yeah.
Too late.
No, not late.
Seen it.
Oh, look here. Down.
Oh, beautiful.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Yeah. Just that bit of rain, man.
Stand up.
Just that bit of rain, man. Don't freeze it.
I think I got a picture going up.
Yeah.
It's so clean, you see?
You want to sneak in one
Oh,
day?
look at this down here.
Yeah. Beautiful, right, sir? Yeah.
Can you drink it? Is it drinkable? Water?
I think we can.
Yeah.
Kayaking.
Not polluted with dead animals.
So you want to go back to your hotel or you want to drop you in Old Town? I can drop you nearby hotel.
I think
Okay,
we all-
hotel first. Hotel first. Change the low or take a rest and then go to
Have you used those little taxi sort of open air things?
No, but
Yeah,
they're not.
super.
Yeah, they are.
Electric bus.
Yeah, they're great. They're really good. Yeah.
You can ask receptionist to call, have you to call one.
Yes.
Or my
lord. Oh my lord.
Now let's speed up.
Now two guys doing it. It's all organized.
Yeah, but that's sorry, I forgot.
You're very nice. You're fantastic. Yes.
But I'm not the only one.